What's up, everyone? Train Freak here, and I'm sure you just saw the mail train go by, and that's because the mail train has brought me a couple of boxes from our very own Roy Hardwick, also known as Containerman68. So I'm very curious to see what is in these two boxes. So hopefully no exploding confetti. But yeah, I mean, this one here is like super heavy. So I'll probably go ahead and do that one first. So no, I have no clue what could be in these. Unless it's the deal that me and him is been working on. Alright, so box number 1. We have, looks like either Bounty or Quilted Northern. So I'm sure that's not exactly what's in there. So we'll slowly open. Oh, alright. We have got some well cars. We got a Southern Pacific. Well, we got a couple with some broken pieces, but that's okay. That's what glue is made for. So we got some APLs for 40 foots. So that's pretty cool. Here's another one. So I'm thinking that is a 5 well car set. Oh, here's another one of the Southern Pacifics. There we go. And let's see what we got here. We got some TTXs. Let's say K-line on it. Let me get my hand to... There we go. So these are pretty cool. Got another one there. Trailer train. So I'm getting loaded up on the well cars. Now I know a lot of y'all are like, well, hey, you modern 1960. Well, that's really the era I'm focusing on now, but I also model 1996. Ooh, these are cool. Ooh, these are heavy. Sparky, you're going to be jealous. Conrail. Heck yeah, man, these are pretty neat. Right here. And these look like the ones that do the actual containers and not the 18-wheeler, because the 5th wheel is laid down. So that's pretty cool. But heck yeah, and I see all of them in here. Had a few pieces coming off, and that could have happened during shipping. That's very cool. There's another one of the Conrail pieces there. All-purpose spine car. Yeah, those are like super heavy. Alright, digging in. Holy smokes, that's a lot of spine cars. Ten-pack fuel foiler, and these are weathered, Santa Fe. So these are very neat. It says a 10-pack, so I'm curious if this is like Nope, I'm seeing different road numbers. So that might be 5 sets. Holy smokes. I'm going to have a really good intermodal train when the layout gets built to where I can actually run a good intermodal train. Alright, and it looks like we have more. That's right, we're not finished. Not finished yet. Golly. I mean, holy smokes. Looks like a few of them are some broken pieces, but you know, like I said, that's what glue's for. We can always glue these back. So I'm not going to dig them all out, but I see a Union Pacific one there. So this is really neat. Oh, that's cool how those things pop up. I guess for the containers. Yep, I'm seeing more trailer train in here as well. Let's see, what is this one with the green? It's trailer train. So yeah. Oh yeah. So it looks like I've got my work cut out for me on this box. Roy, that's pretty cool, man. So I'm going to put all these back in gently. And I'll see if I can't try to do a video sometime soon with some of these. I've got a couple of -9 locomotives that would look great pulling it. But heck yeah, man, I really appreciate that. Holy smokes. Man, that's a lot. Alright, there we go. So there's the first box. So I'm going to move this one gently out of the way. Alright. Now on to box number 2. Now this is a bigger box, but it's lighter. But I'll tell you one thing, them Conrail ones, man, them things had some weight to them. It's like the whole middle section of it was the weight. Ah. There we go. And survey says this box is full of shredded paper. Oh, and you spared me a few peanuts as well. It looks like. So Sparky, now you know where Roy sent the peanuts. But it looks like we got some blue box stuff in here, so let's see what we got. Looks like a kit. Says a 85-foot cotton belt. So here we go. So we got a there we go, cotton belt. And then there is the road number right there, 82819. I don't know if I've got that one or not. But if I do, that doesn't mean I cannot renumber it. So, let's see what else is in here. Oh, we got a paper towel. Oh, now those, that's cool. Check these out. You don't really see these anymore. Those are like the big, heavy duty, the Versi Tainer cars, what they called them. But these would do the double stacks as well. That's pretty cool. Those are big. Oh, let's see what we got here. So we got another Southern Pacific. And I think this one is a single. It is. So that's a kit to be put together. Sweet. Oh, cool. I've got a baggie full of cars. Oh, no. Take that back. Freak Junior has a baggie full of cars. So that would work great on his layout. So, man, Roy, if I would have known this was in here, man, I would have had Junior help me open this. But you know what? I'll give it to him as a surprise. I'll pull him in here in a minute. Heck, I might just put it in a box and save it for a future video and let him unbox it. Alright, looks like we got another big flat car, and this one is a Southern Pacific. So, oops, there we go. Maybe, yep, there we go. SP Trailer Flat Car Service. Man, at this rate, I'm going to need more trailers. Oh, here's another one of those pieces to that Versa Tainer. This is really cool. What have we got over here? We got more goodies. Oh, we got another bag. What is this? Okay, this is a bag full of trucks and looks like some of the plastic pieces that have come off, so that's going to be helpful. Thanks. Looks like we got another set of the APC stack train. So APC and Pacer eventually merged together and became Pacer stack train. So this is before Pacer stack train. That's very cool. Oh, what is this? Well, let's see here. Let me set this stuff here down first. It looks like some of the under bracings are coming apart. So I'll have to glue all those back on. But this is a 263 foot 5-unit all-purpose spine car. I guess this is just parts for it. Alright, we're going to move some of this around. Make sure y'all can still see what's in here. We got more of the APC stack train cars. Very nice. Right, I really wish I had enough track to run all this, man. Not right now, but one day I will. Ah, and here's the other two pieces of that Versi stack. Starting to run out of room, Roy. Man, you gave me the jackpot, it seems like. Oh, what we got here? It's got something wrapped up. Looks like some more of the red Southern Pacific 48 footer well cars. And I think this is the last one in here. Oh, this one's got containers on it. No, or vans, one of the two. Oh, these are cool. These are UPS vans. But I think they're maybe for that era. Coer, C-O-E-R. So that is the flat car, and of course I can't hold these straight, but he sent 2 vans with them, so that's very cool. And they say UPS-Z on the vans, so those are UPS vans. That's really neat. Man, that's a nice flat car there. That one's got metal wheels already. It's weighted real good. So I think that might be the last one that's in there. Besides a few more of the loose pieces that will have to be glued back on, but that's okay. So, well, I think that's everything that's in this box. So, heck yeah, Roy. Man, you gave me the hookup. So that means here pretty soon, I will be sending a package back to you with goodies as well, since that was the deal of our trade. So, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a small package for Freak Jr. So that way he can open these up, and I'll put it that it's from you on there. So, alright, well, other than that, thanks, Roy. I really appreciate it. And other than that, y'all be safe out there and happy railroading. Take care.